Tegan from the Winnipeg Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own little mini book. You can write in it, decorate it, color it however you like once you're finished, and all you need to start is a piece of paper. I'm going to use this piece of white printer paper, but you can use any kind of paper you've got in your home. It can be any color, shape, or size. The first step of making the book is to take the top of our page and fold it down to meet the bottom. We're going to do this as evenly as possible. And I'm going to put a crease along the top. There we go. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to fold this side to meet this side. And I'm going to put another crease along here. Now, if we stopped here, we've actually made quite a nice little greeting card that we could decorate to give to somebody, but we are going to keep going and we're going to make a book. So I am going to open this up all of the way. I'm going to rotate it to make it a little bit easier as I cut right through the middle very carefully along the line that I folded earlier. So I should have made a nice little crease I can follow just through the middle, very carefully. There we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this right back over, lay it on top, and I have essentially finished making my book. I've got my pages. The only problem is they're not staying in the book yet. So there's a couple of different ways you can keep your pages in your book, and I will show you some that I have prepared earlier. The first way is you can punch holes along the edge, and then you can use a little bit of, I used yarn, but you could also use string or ribbon to tie your book closed, and you can see how that works nicely. So that's an option. If you have a stapler, you can staple along this edge, and that will also keep your pages in really nicely. And then the final option I'll show you with the book that we just made. Final option is you can use a little bit of glue. Just right along the middle, you just need a really thin line. Do it very carefully. I'm just using regular Elmer's school glue, but you can use any kind of liquid glue or a glue stick if you have a glue stick. And then I'm going to very carefully, right in the middle, put my pages back in. I will lay them down. There we go. I will close this up, and I'm going to let it dry for about 30 minutes. So I will set it aside, and I'll show you in a book I made earlier how the glue looks, and it keeps those pages in really well. There we go. And we have successfully made our very own mini books. Now you can decorate it however you like. You can use markers, crayons, pencil crayons, stickers, whatever you have in your home. I turned my book into a little shape booklet. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more paper craft ideas, you can check out our Hobbies and Crafts info guide at our website. You'll find a link below in the description.